Who here has dust in their house? Yes, everyone should be raising their hand. Dust is everywhere, even in space. And this dust is a big problem for observational astronomers like me. An observational astronomer like me is someone who uses telescopes to understand the universe. And particularly, I use the Hubble Space Telescope. I'm sure many of you have heard of it. And I use it to study really far away galaxies, which is really cool. But there's this problem. There's this dust in the way. And the reason it's a problem is that it blocks and absorbs light. Now you might say, well, if you're a good space hitchhiker, you would take your nifty towel and find someone with warp drive to go out and brush that dust away. But we can't do that. So we have to figure out ways of minimizing the impact of the dust on our observations. So one way we do this is by pointing to areas where there's less dust. Think about this when you go out here in Phoenix. Yes, most days it's sunny here, but on those few days we do have clouds, right? They do exist, and they block the sunlight, or they don't allow you to see stars at nighttime. And so that's the same thing that happens with dust. It blocks the light for us. But we can point our telescopes to areas with less dust, just like sometimes you might see some light clouds in the sky. They don't block all the light, it's brighter out. So this is what we do. Now, I might be giving dust a hard time, okay, because for me, it's a big problem. But really, dust is also a really important thing. It's important for building planets, okay? It's one of the main things. So here on Earth, when Earth was first forming, dust was one of the first ingredients. So dust is not only, it's a bad thing, but it also has a lot of good parts about it. Now, I just want you to remember the next time you go out cleaning your car after a major dust storm, right? I'm sure you'll all be frustrated. As an astronomer, I'll be just as frustrated with you about all the dust in the sky. Thank you.
Thank you, Teresa.